Alright, am I recording? Appears to be. Alright, kids. Whew. What's up? This is Moto Noir. Thank you for watching. I know that I have not been doing that great at getting content out. Took a wee little break. Okay, car share only. Interesting. Took a little break from the rigmarole, as I said in my last video, but you know, I'm gonna get back into it, do my thing. It's been a crazy few weeks, few months. Very crazy. Just been travel, all travel. So it is almost Christmas time. Happy holidays, everyone. I'm going to be heading home to see my mom and some of the family. So that'll be good. But wishing you all a safe and very happy holiday season. Wherever you are, wherever you may go. I hope everything goes well, and that you all get there safe and sound, and that you're all happy. Come on. I like these old 4Runners. They're nice. Okay, alright. So it is the holiday season. Hope everyone's days are merry and bright. Just finishing up my work with cake for the season. Well, not for the season, but for, you know, for the next few days. I'm gonna take some time off and enjoy myself. I guess I really don't have time off, but I will be slow in answering emails and whatnot. Alright, my turn. Very nice, hold on. You're looking the wrong way, buddy. Do not like sequoias. Alright, well, let me know what you guys are doing for the holiday down in the comments. I promise I will start getting more and more content out and about. Working hard to get these things out and getting them shot. It's not so much getting them shot as much as it is editing. I've complained about that a lot. Editing takes so much time. And time is not something I have a lot of. Oy. Ay caramba. So it looks like they just repaved this road and you can't drive on it yet. Crap. Alright. I'm gonna have to figure out some maneuvering. Looks like they're detouring everyone over. Yep. Look at this crap. Okay. Alright. Some nice new pavement there. Fantastical. We needed that. Alright. Wow. Wowzy wowza. I'm just going to cut ahead. Don't mind if I do. Thank you. Anyway, I hope you guys are glad that I'm going to continue making these videos. I don't know who, what, where, when, and why people are still watching. But I'm glad that you are. Whoever's out there still watching me, I appreciate it. I do this mainly so that I look back on it in a few years and I get to remember trips and things like that that I went on, and times that I rode with my friends. Good times. It's like it's a diary, you know? It's pretty much all it is. And then I share the diary with all of you. And I love you guys. So on the next vlog, I'll see you again probably in the new year. Love you guys. See you later.